How to add messages to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's go back to your home screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold. Then go down and tap on Wallpaper, Install. Next, we tap on the left lock screen panel. From here, we go down and tap on the left or the right shortcut. Next, scroll down, and in here, you want to look for the Messages app, and then tap on Done at the top. Okay, now if you go back to your home screen, and on the lock screen, you can now quickly access messages by simply swiping and then entering your PIN or password to quickly access messages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.